What's up, people? Welcome to today's video. And today I'm going to answer a question that I receive always. Many people ask me about the amount of money that you must invest to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So today I'm going to tell you guys how much you need to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. Okay, so let's get started, guys. As I told you, we are going to talk about how to start the pay-per-call. No, we are going to talk about how much, huh? How much, how much you need to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So guys, let's consider something. When you start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business, the first thing you will need, I think, is money to invest on ads. Okay, you must invest on ads if you want to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business for real. You must invest in ads. If you want to get calls for real, you must invest in calls. Okay, so we must put here the point one, some money for ads. Okay, for ads, how much are you going to invest? The minimum amount that I recommend you guys to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business is this. Okay, if you want to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business, please consider this minimum amount that I'm telling you guys. Okay, 250 USD. Okay, so for this amount you can start. For the beginners, I really recommend you to start with Facebook ads. Okay, so pick up this amount and invest in Facebook ads. If you want to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business, you must have this money minimum. That's why I recommend you, if you want to get results, separate this money for ads. Okay, and put in your mind that this money is only for ads. Okay, so you're gonna invest this amount of money for Facebook ads. Okay, I recommend the beginners to start with Facebook ads. So if you are not a beginner, if you know how to run ads on Google ads and Facebook, you can divide this by two, or you can consider all this amount for Google ads. Okay, you can consider this amount for Google ads. So let's continue, guys. Why did I put this money as a first point? Okay, you can be now thinking, why didn't I start with landing page or with website? If you are going to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing, you will need a website. Guys, this is simple. You can only run a pay-per-call affiliate marketing ads on Facebook with call only ads. Okay, you can use call only ads. So we with this campaign objective of call only ads, you don't need to have a landing page, a website to drive the visitors and then to generate calls. Okay, so that's why I put the money for ads separated as number one. Okay, if you want to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So the second point, guys, is website. Okay, website or landing pages. So for the website, guys, you can use the WordPress. Okay, you can use WordPress if you wanna start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. You can use WordPress if you wanna start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. I recommend you, if you know how to use WordPress, you can use WordPress, or even you can use this one build the role. I don't know if I wrote it correctly, but you can use also Builderall to create your own landing pages. But for me, the best one is WordPress. Why WordPress? Because there I think I have many features to create my own landing pages. I have many plugins that I can use to improve the performance of my landing page. I can create many landing pages. So that's why I recommend you guys. I recommend you to use WordPress, because I use WordPress and I generate calls for my landing pages using WordPress. So guys, right here on the website, there is a point. Okay, you can have to create a website, you'll need a domain. Okay, you'll need a domain. To create a website, you'll need a domain. Okay, so guys, inside of pay-per-call affiliate marketing business, we have many niches. Okay, we have many niches, or I can say verticals. Okay, we have many verticals inside of pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So many people use to dedicate a domain for each vertical. So what does it mean? It means that if you are going to run Obamacare, for example, Obamacare offer. If you are going to run Obamacare offer, you are going to create, you are going to buy a domain. Okay, you are going to buy a domain that it's something that refer to Obamacare. Okay, so you can we can also talk about health insurance. Okay, so you can buy a domain like health insurance, okay, for all.com. Okay, you can buy that kind of domain. So it means that you are buying the domain for each vertical. So that's why I recommend you guys, I don't recommend many people to use a generic domain. Okay, if you don't have money, so much money to start this business, you can start with a generic domain. So this domain can be call forwarder, maybe. Okay, callforwarder.com, maybe. This is an example of a generic domain that you can use inside of pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So inside this domain, you can run many verticals. Okay, there you can run many verticals inside this domain. This is a generic domain. Okay, inside of generic domain, you can run many verticals. Generic domain. Okay, here we have domain that correspond, to a vertical. Okay, or a domain that indicates I don't know if I can say that, indicates to a vertical. Okay, so this is an example, guys, about generic domain and a domain that indicates to some vertical. So if you're going to run a pest control offer, we can write here pest control offer. So you're going to create example of domain. Okay, example of domain will be pest control in USA.com. Okay, so you can create that kind of domain. So inside of domains, we have generic domain and domain that refers to some vertical, guys. So you can use these domains and create a website using WordPress or using a Builderall. Okay, so for each domain, guys, I think that some domains are cheap on Hostinger, so you can use Hostinger, guys. If you wanna buy some domains, you can use Hostinger. Let's check. let's pick up one of these domains here. I don't know if this domain is available, but okay, there is a price. I don't need to search. If I can search just to check it. Okay, this domain is taken, but you can think about they also give you many options. Okay, we have many domains right here. So this is the price, guys. We have many cheap domains here in Ostasia, so you can get in and try to find a domain for your niche, or buy a generic domain for your pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So guys, considering this, you are going to spend right here for Obamacare, USD, 10 USD here, 10 USD, also here 10 USD, for generic domain you will only spend 10 USD. Okay guys, so I can recommend you guys just to finish this video. It's becoming a long video. I didn't want that. So guys, if you want to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business, you must separate money for ads and put in your mind that this money is only for ads. Okay, don't be scared of putting the money in the market. Don't be afraid of spending money on ads, guys. If you want results, you must spend money, guys. So just here, consider that you are going to the phase one. I'm talking about the testing phase. Okay, testing phase. Don't think that you are going to start running ads and it will be like boom, and you're going to generate many calls. It may be possible, okay, but you must consider that you are in the testing phase, and then you are going to the second phase. Okay, second phase, the phase 2, where you're going to scale your ads. Okay guys, so consider that for you, or when you're running Facebook ads, you're going to the testing phase. If you don't have many money, you can start with 5 to 10 USD daily. Okay, you can start with that, guys. So don't be scared. Just to finalize that, guys, you will need a minimum amount of 3,000 USD to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. Doesn't matter if you're going to run ads on Google, on Facebook. You must separate this money to start a pay-per-call affiliate marketing business. So guys, thank you for watching this video until now. If you like this video, if you have any doubt, don't be afraid. Write down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new in this channel, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.